Good, good morning, guys. You remember this compressor that I bought a couple of weeks ago, not even a month, and it packed up after I pumped up the one wheel of the Farmall, just make it a little bit more air in. It was not flat. And then I tried to pump the Farmall tire and it totally packed up, guys. And it's basically new. It don't run, I would say 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and it packed up. So let's open it and see what go wrong or what went wrong. And I don't need it anymore because I bought that nice big one. So let's open it up and see what packed up. And I think maybe it is repairable. Okay, I will quickly take it apart. Okay guys, I've got all the screws out, and let's see what is the story here. I see a loose screw to start with. There's a loose screw, you can see. So maybe that is the problem. And the circlip. So it seems if it is repairable, I think the motor come loose, because I see this crankshaft over the hot conrod is still okay, and this is the sleeve. Let me just quickly investigate. Maybe I can still repair it. Okay guys, I found the problem, but I don't think it's repairable. You see, the first thing that happened is that screw that was here, that I show you, came loose from the engine, from the motor. And then the motor can do that. And then, of course of that, I guess, this part broke off. You see, this fits perfectly on there. There, it broke just off. It's a kind of, there, you see, it's a kind of pewter or something. It's very thin, and that broke off. So either this broke and caused the screw that to come loose, but I think the screw come out and mess up with the conrod and stuff, and it just broke it off here. I think that's what happened. But the motor is still running. There's no problem with that. So maybe I can repair it if I got a very strong glue that will fit and glue that. And then on the underneath side, I can make a good fit there and clean it up nicely. And then I think I can at least use it for simple jobs. So let's see what I can do. I am busy with the operation there, guys. It is in place, so I'm going to put some side gussets in. Okay guys, I've got it sort of fixed. I put here a nail in as a gusset, and then on the other side as well. And I use quick glue and carbonated soda for this repairs and that repair there, and I made it nice and thick. So I think we must start it up just like it is and see if it holds on. Okay guys, I think it's time to test it and see if there is if it will hold on. I'm going to switch it on, so if there's something fail, we will see it. And it's now without pressure, it's open out. So run. The battery is not very strong. Let me try and block it a little bit. Maybe I must put a little bit of grease in the sleeve. It seems if it doesn't hold pressure or make pressure, it might be the check valve. Okay, let me check that out. Okay guys, I'm going to remove the check valve quickly and see if there's some dirt in there, probably. Okay, all that I could see is the springs sit very skew and the screws was not very tight, but further on everything looks okay. So I'm going to put it back. Okay guys, let's try again. I give it a little bit of lube. I think I'm going to put it back together, give the battery a little bit of a charge, and see if I can pump a tube up with it. I've got a loose tube. It seems if it holds on so far. Okay guys, it's still the flat battery, but let's see. It's now together and see if it still works. Out. So let's try and pump the Farmall, the old tire. It take a little bit of charge, but then it start to leak. So let's see if we can get some air in that old tube. Okay guys, I've got everything set up. It's just for put on. And then here's the old Farmall tube. And let's see if anything happen, and I will, if it seems if something is go right, I will bring you back and see if it works. I'll bring you back guys as soon as I see something. I see a difference already. You can see all over it's not flat as it was. Okay guys, there is this. I successfully repair it. I don't know how long it will last, but at least for the emergency I've got a pump. But I have that big one that you've seen. But you can see here's a tube. And I know it got a leak because otherwise it was still the valve. But so far it pumped up. And I haven't got a valve now by me to put in there. But at least I saved the little compressor. Okay, let me make a plan to keep something there on the valve. Okay guys, I made with one hand the plan, and so let's see if it leaks maybe. I've got soapy water here. It seems okay. So I will leave it and see if it stays overnight. It will be interesting to see if the tube actually is okay, because today I'm really not sure. Was it the tube or was it still the valve? Because obviously with the new tube I get a new valve, and the one that came off, how does it work? Oh, the guys that put on the tire for me put a new valve in the tube because I take it off here. So I've got the new one still with me, and but it doesn't fit in there. So there's a difference in the size. So I don't know what I've made with the old one. Maybe they kept it there at the tire place. Okay, guys, I thank you for joining me on this repair, and it seems if it was a great success for a try. Okay, my friends, see you on the next one. Bye. Okay, guys, I found the leak. There's the leak. I sprayed some of this tire sealant in, and this is exactly where it leaks. So now I know I can patch that area, and I've got a spare tube, because I do the whole tire and I can't find any leak apart from that one. So it's small, but any more pressure that you give, it will leak more. And because you can imagine this tire tube, or this tube, is very small, so you need to take a lot of space up in that big tire. So that became just a bigger leak as you keep on pumping. So I'll put this patch there, and then everything is fine, I guess. Okay, my friends, I think we can call this one a win. We saved the little compressor, and hopefully it will last. And then we also found the leak just there. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video of the repairs, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.